This is our embellishment twine, also called baker's twine, that we like to use on our gift boxes, our personal packages. You could even seal up a hand-delivered envelope if you wanted. So just quickly how to create a seal on top of that. I'm going to wrap. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I think I'll just do a little twist here, so figure out. I'll just do something like this, where I've crossed it and I cut it to size. So applying the wax, you want to be able to manage how it's held, whether you tied a knot there or a little bow. As long as you can have this taut and flat, you should have no problem creating your seal. So with my standard size glue gun and my jewel glue gun sealing wax, I'm going to apply just right over that cross point so I know that all directions of the twine are going to be held in place. And picking my seal, I have a crown. I'm going to figure the orientation for that and just set down a small bit of pressure so that I know that it's in full contact, and just let that sit there for a few moments until the wax sets. And make sure to not touch that, it's very hot. It would stick to your skin and burn you. And keeping my fingers away from the wax, I'm going to lift straight up. It's still a little tacky, so I'm going to set that aside to cool. But there you have an embellished wax seal.